Hi everyone. I had better adjust my camera a bit, sorry. I decided I would go to Japan as a young man, and if I did, I would start my own English school, which is what I did when I was 27, and slowly saved up our money, and the school grew to 200 students. We had 4 branches. We actually imported a Canadian house to Japan, and that became another English school. So that was our second school. So we had 2 buildings that we were using for schools, and one was our school and our house, big Canadian house. And the other building was a store on the first floor, and then school and apartment for one of our teachers on the second floor. And then we parlayed that into an Airbnb business. The school business, after a while, after about 20 years, wasn't doing as well. There tends to be gentrification, sorry, in the area. So a lot of the children had grown up and moved away. So we decided to parlay what we had into an Airbnb business. And that led to us buying a house in Tokyo, in Machida, Tokyo, and using the collateral from all of those properties. We also bought another house in Kawasaki, so we now have 4 homes. And I'm invested in mutual funds as it's just easy. So I'm not so much into stocks. I'm into crypto a little bit. And caveat, this is not financial advice. This is for entertainment purposes only. But yeah, I wanted to tell you a little bit about my story and how we got here. Mutual funds are just easy in Japan. But if I was living in Canada, I would be into ETFs. I would definitely be into crypto ETFs, and I would be into index funds. So yeah, that's a little bit about me and my history. Thank you for watching.